Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your rear wheel bearing on this Chevrolet Matiz. As you can see, this is our wheel bearing. Oopsie. Don't need that one anyway, because we've got a new one for it. As you can see, these are the bearings we're fitting. One for the inside and one for the outside. Come over here, so you can see this is the one outside that's already been removed. Then we've got the inside one. We need to take this little cover bit off, so we're going to have to pop it off. So once you've managed to get that out, you just literally just pull it out. You can see, you can reuse that, or normally you're supposed to get a new one. Now we're going to remove this one. And what we're going to do is going to press that one out and press this one out as well. You can see that right there. So as you can see, I'm not going to try and press them, so I'm going to use a punch. And as you can see on the edge of it here, you can literally just tap it and it'll come straight out. You can see the gap right there, all the way around. So you're just going to get a hammer and just tap it, and that will fall out. And then I'm going to flip this over and do the same to that one, because it has to come out that way, and that one has to go out that way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So once you start tapping it, as you can see around the edges, just gradually tap it all the way around, and then it should come out. You can see it's almost out. And that's it, as you can see. Now what we'll do now is flip it over to the other side. And then do the same to this one, so just tap it around. And that's it really. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press this one back in. You have to press them back in. I'm going to press the other one after as well, so we're going to press that one in. So roughly get a socket the same size, and then obviously we're going to start pressing it. release it. So as you can see, it's sitting flush. If you look through there as well, it's sitting flush. Now we're going to do this side. So now we're going to put this one in. So you can see it goes that way, not that way. You just sit that on top there like that. So once you've lined it up now, literally you got to do is just press it. You can see that it's saying flush in there as well. So now I'm going to put some multi-purpose grease on this. As you can see, so we need to make sure this bearing is completely greased. Can't just put a dry bearing in there, so we're going to put some grease on that. Then we're going to put it in there. Now as you can see, it's fully greased up. Slot that in there like that. Just pour a little bit extra grease in there. Now we're going to put the cover back on. Now we'll do the same to this one as well. Now I'll just put this one back in and it's ready to go back in the vehicle. So now we're just going to put our drum back on. You can see I'm doing this with one hand at the moment. I should really be doing it with two hands. I'm going to go ahead and put that on. So now the drum's on, including bearing. We're going to put this washer back on, like so. Now we need to put our nut back on as well. Let's put nut back on. This one you don't over tight it, really just hand tight it enough so that the drum's still spinning freely. Then put our split pin back in. Now as you can see, that's not moving. From side to side, it's nicely tightened and it rotates freely. Now we're going to put our new split pin back in. So you're just going to tap that down and then bend it. So now as you can see, it's all done, put back together. All we got to do is just put our cover back on. Just get a hammer out and just tap that back in gently, and that's it. So I've tapped it back in place, so everything's as it should be. See, it rotates, and it's not too loose, and there's no movement anymore. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel, and don't forget to leave your comments below. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.